Hi, I am Leilani Ramos. I have a PhD in Linguistics and Portuguese language from the Federal University of Paraíba. I am a professor of the department and the postgraduation in languages at the Federal University of Sergipe. Leader of the study group in language, interaction and society, and researcher in linguistic pragmatics. I'm also a volunteer at the Quantum Leap Institute. The Quantum Leap Institute, founded and presided by the writer, TV host, public speaker, and medium Benjamin Teixeira de Aguiar, is a not-for-profit Christian spiritual school of thought, whose primary purpose is to spread these ideas that foster spirituality and the process of correct thinking and feeling that lead to wisdom, peace, and happiness. It was up to me to greet the public who watches and listen to us, those present here or at distance in space and time. Good evening to the public present here at the Yacht Club de Aracaju, where this Sunday lectures happen at 6 p.m. in Aracaju, capital of Sergipe. To the public of the internet through the audio and video channels inside and outside of Sergipe, Brazil, and across borders, on one of them with a simultaneous translation to English by Luciano Dias. To the audience of the TV program broadcasted in the United States of America in the states of Connecticut, channel 23 of January on Tuesday, 6 p.m. Eastern Time. Also reach the series of Bethel and Reedfield. Good afternoon to the audience on the second TV channel in USA, channel 77 of Bridgeport on Thursdays, 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Also reach the series of Milford, Fairfield, Orange, Stratford, and Woodbridge. Good morning to the viewers of the Aperipe TV, channel 2, on Saturdays at 7:30 a.m. Brazilian time. To the public that watches from the Brazil digital satellite at the same time with TV broadcasting to virtually all Latin America from the south of Mexico to the south of Chile. Lastly, our greetings to the internet user that access the site of the institution, saltoquantico.com.br, where these Sunday lectures are available in full at any time. Thank you very much and welcome to the Quantum Leap Institute.